Alright, so we're going to talk about some openers and different ways to start dancing with women. Alright, one of the best ways is to you can see what girls are standing near the dance floor and they look kind of bored just standing there. Something real easy is you just basically walk up to them and hold your hand out. Doom. Hey, let's dance. And then drag her on and just start moving around. So it could be like, let's dance, come dance with me. Something very affirmative. Another thing is, this one is kind of, I don't like this one as much, but you kind of have to play this game sometime, which is, so pretend you're dancing, doom, ba, doom, ba. So kind of like get in her line of view, and then kind of look over, smile at her, see if she's smiling back, and then I'll kind of like move in and start testing the waters a little bit, okay? So girls will also actually do this to men as well. So if they see you and they will dance with you, they'll kind of like dance near you and try to catch your attention. So now your turn. Alright, now I'm dancing. And she just kind of squirmed her way in, right? Very good.
And then one of the best ways too is also just have a conversation with them first, right? So if you're at the bar, you're getting for having a drink, just be like, hey, let's go dance. And you know, most of the time they're like, alright, cool. And they came to have fun with you, right?
So those are a few ways to start dancing. Here's another one. I'm gonna go. This one is called the 3-second freak. So you're like, I'm just walking, and I just noticed her. Hey, what's up? And then I put an arm around my shoulder, and then I'm just dancing with her real close. So that one is really kind of aggressive. That one's really ballsy because I just saw her. Hey! So what happens is I spin her slow, and then my left hand is already here. My right hand goes over my shoulder. I hold this here for a second, and then I kind of just have my hand at her hips. Okay? Let's try that one with the music. We'll try the first two first. So she's just kind of dancing by herself. I'm kind of just, let's dance. And I kind of just pull her in, move around, keep doing my thing, right? The other one is just cruising. I could have already seen her, or if I really just noticed her, I'm like, hey, spinner. I got her nice and close. Alright, so assistant, please, I'm in. And then you kind of you basically just go up to her. She wants to dance with you. Just grab her hand and be like, let's dance. Good, so try it again. And so she's just kind of like, so you're kind of just like bored. Walk towards the dance floor, kind of like, So he's gonna come up to you, like, hey, he's like really fun. Hey, let's dance. Exactly, beautiful. Cool, and then let's, hey, what's up? And then let's do the 3-second freak. And then sneak your hand in. Good, do it slower, and do this one simultaneously. When my hand goes over her head, this hand is also, yeah, slower. Here we go.
Even slower. So spin her slower and then do this one gradual. So this is going over my head as my left hand is coming out to her head.
Damn.
Exactly, and then keep dancing. And one more time. Good. Music, please. Alright, so those are just some real simple ways you can start dancing with them. Again, the first one was just if the girl's just standing there, or she can be dancing by herself too, or with her friends, and you just kind of like reach out your hand, pull her, start dancing. Okay, and the other one was a high five, so say like right to right, to her left, over my head, and at the same time what I was saying was like this is it's very, very smooth. And then I just kind of groove again, left, right. Alright, so try those next time, and you'll be dancing with some fun 608s.